Hey, if you are looking to buy hosting but need that extra discount, you have come to the right video. Just click the link in my video description and it will redirect you straight to the Hostinger page with the referral code applied automatically. Because you clicked my link, you are now my referral, which gives you an extra 20% discount from my end. You do not have to do anything else or enter any coupon codes manually. Just find the hosting plan you want, click Choose Plan, and the 20% discount will automatically apply at checkout. It is that easy. And this does not just work for the 48-month plan. This discount works for the 24-month plan and the 12-month plan as well. One more thing. If the pricing is not showing in your local currency, or if the plans look a little different, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. For example, if I choose India, the pricing instantly changes to rupees and shows the local plans. It is a really great deal right now, so what are you waiting for? Check out the link in my description and lock in your savings.